The heat is unbearable in here, man. Why do I have a Haitian flag behind me? Hey, Chris, why is there a Haitian flag behind me?
I mean, that's what they wanted. I can't. I don't make the rules.
We're rolling? Okay, just cut that out. John Selznick here with PBSO, okay? I'm here to specifically describe and identify a man who has been doing, what was that, Chris?
Interpreter.
Okay. I'm here to interpret.
No, sign language interpreter.
Chris.
Sorry.
I'm here to explain to you and describe a specific gentleman who's been doing wrong things. Also, we have a sign language coordinator who's also going to help out for the less fortunate deaf people in the Haitian community. And we just want to help you out and make sure that the information is...
I think that's why they put the Haitian flag for the Haitian deaf community.
Chris.
Huh?
This gentleman is a black male. He is somewhere in the range of 6'2" to 6 foot flat area. He has somewhat of, I'm going to say like a dreaded braid. It kind of sits back, but he gets it braided somewhat. A lot of times, it's a lot of the photos that we have of him. He always wears black shirts. His pants are always sagging as low as possible. Never wears a belt. Has a tattoo located on his left forearm. Okay, not the right, the left is a cross. Okay, on the top of the cross says 666. Okay, I do not believe this man has anywhere to change clothes. I do not believe he has anywhere to freshen up, shower, or anything like that. So he most likely will be wearing the same clothing. We're gonna catch this guy. We will catch this guy, and we won't stop till we do. Okay, you help us out, we'll help you out. Okay, Lake Worth, we're here. God bless you. God bless me. And God bless America. And Haiti as well. Okay? So, once again, call the number at the bottom of the screen, 1-800-HAITEAM, and we're going to figure this out, guys. All right? We're going to figure this out. We're going to get this guy off the streets and behind bars where he should be. Okay? I don't know what you guys do in Haiti. There's also a large Latin group base in Lake Worth. But we've catch this guy mostly in the areas where it's more heavily populated and the Haitian culture. L''Union, Fate, LA Force.
That's not right.
What are you talking?
Mr. Saint-Just, that's not right.
All right, listen.
I'm sorry.
I don't know, Mr. Washner, Jean Baptiste.
That's right.
Okay, cool.
We're going to get that, guys.
So,
Please.
okay, I need you to calm down. Okay,
Okay.
you're getting a little too
I
aggressive.
can't say about my people.
I understand you care about your people, so do we.
You can't
We're doing the job, sir. We're doing the job to the best
want
of
to
our
get you
ability.
motherfucker.
Sir?
You
Okay.
can't call them my people.
Alright, just calm down.
Then you don't take me back.
Put your hand up.
You can't get
Chris, get the cuffs. God damn it.
Now,
Put your ass